Before you begin, make sure your scooter power switch is in the off position. Remove the 4 side cover bolts with a 4mm hex wrench from both sides of the scooter and remove the side covers. Loosen the brake cable pinch nut with a 10mm open end wrench. Using an 8mm wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the brake arm housing nut and bolt. Loosen the rear axle with 12mm and 14mm wrenches. Pull up on the chain tensioner and remove the chain from the rear wheel gear. Remove the wheel assembly from the frame. Remove the axle hardware, noting the order and location during removal of the washers and spacers. Reinsert the axle, brake, and the axle hardware onto the replacement wheel, and reinsert the wheel assembly back into the frame. Pull up on the chain tensioner and install the chain onto the rear wheel gear. Reinstall the brake arm housing nut and bolt, but do not tighten. Tighten the axle nuts with 12mm and 14mm wrenches. Tighten the brake arm housing nut and bolt with a Phillips head screwdriver and an 8mm wrench. Adjust the brake cable and tighten the brake cable pinch nut with a 10mm open end wrench. Replace the left and right side covers and hardware with a 4mm hex wrench. Do not over-tighten these bolts.